1, 2, 3.
Hi guys, so this is part 2 of the missing dog. Sorry that I've been really busy and stuff. I got some early birthday presents. I was shopping and doing all that, like for back to school and stuff. So I'm really sorry. I'm gonna try to post like every week. We'll see how that goes. So yeah, let's get started with the video. Sir, I know you have the dog. I'm calling the police right now.
After she called.
The police are here. What is the problem? Let me deal with this one, guys. First of all, do you have any proof?
Yes, I do. Our dog is named Chloe, and she's right behind that guy. How do you know that, miss? When I say her name, Chloe, Chloe, she barks. Did you hear that?
Okay, I heard that, miss. Sir? I already know you. You look familiar. We had to arrest you last time. Ugh. Well, another time. Was it a couple of years ago? I don't even know. Wait, do you look like the same lady?
Yeah, because I was younger back then. I was a little kid, and he was like not too old, but he was old. And he tried to trap me and my sisters in a dungeon because he wanted to take over the world with his wife, I think.
Yeah, that story sounds familiar. Right, guys?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, move. You're under arrest, guy. Oh, not again. I promised my wife I'd get her dog her jail cell. So you're admitting that you stole the dog. Just get out of the car.
Car. Chloe, oh my gosh. We missed you so much. Okay, kids, we're gonna leave really soon after he gets arrested because I want to make sure he gets arrested. I'm so happy you're back.
So I will be back. Whatever, old man. You're coming with us.
Let's go, guys. Oh my gosh, I was so worried about you, Chloe. I'm so glad you're back. Okay, kids, let's go home.
Chloe! So it wasn't my fault?
No. Hey, look. He left some ice cream. Does anyone want some? Me.
I'm so happy we got Chloe back.
Me too. 1, 2. There's only 2.
Hi. Well, what flavor is it?
Watermelon.
I'm sorry, but I don't really like watermelon.
How couldn't you like watermelon? Okay, then. Mia, you want it?
Yes, please.
They have seaweed and they have marshmallows and crackers.
And marshmallows sounds so good.
You might as well just take these. I'll pay for it, but there's no one who could we pay it to. Who was that? Hey guys, why did you come back too? I need to check the van because he was not working there for that long. And I think there might be someone here. 1 second. I knew it! Thank you so much for saving me. I'm never going to work at this place again. Okay, well, I'm glad you're safe. You're gonna come with me, just so you're extra safe. How even old are you? I'm only a 13-year-old who is working at that job. It used to be my dad's. Actually, tell me more about your job. I'm sorry, but we got these snacks and we didn't know who to pay it to. So, I guess I'll give you the money. That would mean so much to me and my family. Okay, so we got crackers, 2 watermelon ice creams, and marshmallows. How much will that be? $10. I'm gonna make that $30. Here's your money, sir. Thank you so much. Of course. I'm so sorry what you had to go through. Thank you. Those crackers were good though.
I'm still in shock.
Yeah, let's go home now.